Hello guys, today I have the Realme 16 Pro 5G and I'm going to show you how to fix screen rotation not working in your device. At first, here you need to open the settings. Now, go to the display section over, where is that? Here, display and brightness. Scroll down, and now find auto rotate. Disable this option and enable it back again. If you had this disabled, make sure that this option is enabled. After doing so, check if it works. If it does work, that's nice. If it doesn't, you need to hold the power and volume up and drag this white circle to the restart. After restart process, everything should be working nice. If it doesn't, you need to contact the device support because your device may be broken. Goodbye.